Brainstorm fireworks, ideas popping like fizzy. Dizzy with the vision so detailed, no kizzy. Explore 6 pioneers on a wild quest. Innovating the future, we don't settle for less. Brains wide different, circuits lighting up quick. Thinking outside boxes, that's the standard trick. Creativity surges electric through the veins, turning concepts to realities, breaking all the chains. Go out and go, paving paths with that flow. Challenge the norm, turn concepts into glow. From zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Explorers of tomorrow, shooting straight for the sky. Innovation gains strong.
Hi everyone, today we are diving into a big problem that affects a lot of people around the world. Imagine these millions of people struggling with forgetfulness and confusion. Their memory is slipping away. Right now, there are over 50 million people dealing with Alzheimer's and dementia. And by 2030, that number might reach a huge 76 million. Here's the thing, we can make a difference. So let's do something about it.
Welcome everyone to our presentation on groundbreaking approach to addressing Alzheimer's disease through innovative brain training games. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that affects millions of individuals worldwide, robbing them of their memories, cognitive abilities, and independence. Our team is determined to tackle this challenge head-on by leveraging the power of technology and game-based learning.
Let's start by understanding what Alzheimer's disease truly is. It's not just about forgetfulness. It's a complex condition that impacts memory, thinking skills, and even the ability to perform simple daily tasks. Alzheimer's gradually worsens over time, affecting not only the individuals suffering from it, but also their families and caregivers. The statistics are alarming. Globally, nearly 50 million people are living with dementia, with Alzheimer's being the most common form. By 2050, this number is projected to triple, placing immense strain on healthcare systems and families. The societal and economic burden of Alzheimer's is immense, highlighting the urgent need for effective interventions.
Our solution revolves around the development of engaging brain training game using Scratch, a user-friendly programming platform. These games are specifically designed to target memory retention, cognitive stimulation, and decision-making skill, all areas heavily impacted by Alzheimer's disease.
Engaging individuals in the interactive games, we aim to stimulate neural pathways, promote cognitive reserve, and potentially slow down the progression of Alzheimer's. Stimulation to activities like puzzles and memory games can help maintain cognitive function and delay cognitive decline.
The potential of our brain training games is vast. Not only can they serve as valuable tools for individuals already diagnosed with Alzheimer's, but they also have the potential for use in preventive measures. By incorporating these games into regular cognitive wellness routines, individuals may reduce their risk of developing Alzheimer's in the future. Imagine a game that's not just fun but inclusive for everyone, including those with visual impairments and color blindness. That's what we have created using Scratch, a reflexive game where you pop balloons of different colors as fast as you can to score high. Now, you might be wondering, can this game be helpful for Alzheimer's patient too? Here's the scoop. Simple fun. Our game is easy to play and understand. You just pop balloons, simple as that. Not complicated rules or controls to worry about. Keeping the brain active. But here's the cool part. We can tweak the game to help stimulate the brains of Alzheimer's patients. We'll add things like memory challenges and puzzles to keep those neurons firing. Engaging the sense. We'll spice things up by adding sounds and spoken instruction to the game. That way, players can use both their ears and eyes to stay engaged. Adaptability is key. We'll make sure our game can change with the player. As their abilities shift, so will the game, ensuring it's always a perfect fit. Cheers for progress. Everyone loves a pat on the back, right? Our game will shower players with praise and rewards to keep them motivated and feeling accomplished. By making these adjustments, we are not just creating a game, we are crafting an experience that can bring joy and mental stimulation to Alzheimer's patients. It's not just about gaming, it's about making a real difference in people's life. So what do you say? Let's make this gaming more inclusive and meaningful for everyone.
Looking ahead, invention continues refinement and expansion of our brain training game. This includes incorporating personalized algorithms to adapt to individual needs, integrating advanced technologies such as virtual reality for hand-on engagement, and collaborating with neuroscientists and clinicians to ensure effectiveness.
Let's talk about how our brain games for Alzheimer's patients fit into the big picture of making the world a better place, United Nations style. Goal 3, good health. Our games keep Alzheimer's patients mentally sharp, slowing down memory loss and boosting their overall well-being. That's all about making sure everyone has a shot at a healthy, happy life. Goal 9, innovation. We are using cool technology like a Scratch to create these games, showing how innovation can tackle tough health problems. It's all about using our smarts to make life better for others. Goal 17, partnerships. We can team up with the techies, doctors, researchers, and caregivers to make these games a reality. Because when we work together, we can do amazing things, like finding new ways to fight Alzheimer's. So by playing our brain games, we are not just having fun, we are helping make the world a better place, one memory at a time. Let's keep playing and keep making a difference.
The approach shows promise. We acknowledge its limitation. Not all aspects of Alzheimer can be addressed safely through brain training games. Our solution should be seen as a part of a comprehensive care plan that includes medical treatment, lifestyle medication, and support for caregivers.
In conclusion, our team is committed to making meaningful impact in the life of those affected by Alzheimer's disease. Through our innovative brain training games, aspire to empower individuals, engage to quality of life, and contribute to their global effort to combat Alzheimer's. We urge their holders to support further research, development, and implementation of such intervention to create a brighter future for all. Together, let's unlock mind, pave a way towards a world where Alzheimer's is no longer a barrier to living life to fullest. Thank you.
Concepts in the glow, from zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Explorers of tomorrow, shooting straight for the sky. Innovation gains strong, mind races like a cheetah. Idea